Hello everyone. Let us have a look at the solution of question 9 from Clash of Brains season 2. Pause for 10 seconds and read the question. We have to name an 5-term integer series which adds up to 153. There are only two solutions possible for this question. They are represented on your screen. The first is factorial series, that is 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial, which adds up to 153. And then there is another series, that is GP with R equals to minus 1, 153 minus 153, 153 minus 153, 153. This also adds up to 153. If you get any other solution except these two, please do comment it. If you still have any query left, feel free to contact us via aptitude on Instagram.